She's not snoring. She is designing her bedroom to sleep better while she sleeps. IKEA presents Design Your Sleep While You Sleep. Through the leading sleep monitoring app, ShutEye, we tracked the sleep of IKEA family members. Unlike wellness apps that just track sleep, we gave the data new meaning by matching users' sleep patterns with the best IKEA solutions for better sleep. Before going to bed, the users activate the experience. Then the app tracks and measures different kinds of data and sleep patterns. Upon waking up, users receive a complete sleep report. Based on your sleep data, the app suggests the precise IKEA solution. For example, if you snore a lot, IKEA recommends you an ergonomic pillow to help you breathe better. Or if external noises interrupts your sleep, we'll suggest sound-absorbing curtains. Based on the selected products, users are able to find the perfect sleeping environment to improve their rest. And after the 7-day sleep trial, you get a voucher for a product selected to enhance your sleep. Because to improve your life and your health, first thing you need is a good night's sleep.